You were crossing the street, perhaps not even at a crosswalk. You were struck by a car. Now what do you do? My name is Ben Schmidt. I'm an attorney practicing personal injury and insurance law in Kansas and Missouri. Pedestrians being struck by cars happens sadly with routine frequency in our area. In order to process a claim, it's important to know your legal rights. As a pedestrian, it's important that you mind the crosswalk and cross when appropriate. But jaywalking occurs. Does that mean that you can't have a claim? Of course not. It merely means that you might be found at least a portion at fault for your accident. What happens and what should you do if you've been hit by a car? First, and most importantly, you should seek medical care and treatment. In doing so, it's incredibly important that you follow your doctor's orders to the T. You should make every follow-up visit and attend every therapy visit unless extreme circumstances prevent you from doing so. Also, you should obtain any legal documents or law enforcement documents relating to the claim. For example, many times a driver will be given a ticket when they strike pedestrian, so it's important for you to have a copy of the police report. You may also be given a subpoena to appear at the trial of the driver. You should keep that document for presentation to the insurance company. In addition to following doctor's orders and keeping documents from the official court proceedings, you should also obtain copies of all your medical records. You should also take photographs of your injuries, not only at the beginning, but how you heal. All of this documentation will be exceedingly important when presenting your claim to an insurance company. Why am I telling you this? Chances are you've been involved in an accident as a pedestrian. I handle these cases on a daily basis and can answer your questions. My name is Ben Schmidt. Thank you for watching this video.